I use this old Android tablet as a clock. It's not good for anything else, maybe music. It doesn't even have a working Play Store. Now it's time to mount it on the wall because it keeps falling down and it's not good for it. Look, the screen is chipped here. It didn't break because it's plastic, it's not glass, but it still doesn't look pretty. So I'm going to drill 2 holes in the back because there's no other aesthetic, good looking way to mount it. I'm going to drill 2 holes and hang it with a triangle shape to be stable or something, so I can straighten it out on the wall, because I can't really use just 1 hole. Making just 1 hole would mean that I know the exact center of gravity, but the way the components are inside, I'm not really sure where that would be. It's easier to drill 2 holes and then balance it out afterwards with a triangle hanger, whatever you call it. A piece of wire basically, which will go here, here, and it will be like that. And somewhere there will be a screw on the wall, and it will hopefully stay straight if I do it right and bend the wire to account for the center of gravity being I don't know where. So let's get drilling. I could drill here and here. Those are 2 pre-made holes for something else. This tablet chassis was meant for a bunch of different tablets. As you can see, it's missing a back camera here, and there's space for other components here, for other main boards or whatever. This was used for many different tablets. A bigger battery, there's space for more battery here. So I can drill the holes there. It's a metallic back, so it's a bit harder. Or right next to the battery here. I don't know which is better. I think the battery would be better because it's deeper and there's more space for a screw or something. I think I'll put 2 screws from the back. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So let's try it. Let's try drilling a hole into a tablet. There's nothing wrong with that. It's been done plenty of times. Just zoom out and drill. So maybe I'll drill here or here. That's not flat either. I can drill closer, like here. And if I don't like it, I'll drill some more holes. It's the back, it doesn't count anyway. Oh boy. I hope I don't short anything out. Yep, this is aluminum. Metallic back. I was suspicious that it was plastic or something, but it's some kind of light aluminum, it seems. So to be a bit symmetrical, like that, the hole would come here. That's it. A small hole in the desk, never hurt anybody. Okay. Oh boy, it's not symmetrical, but who cares. So let's see what kind of Let's just shut this off a bit, at least the screen. Okay, so here are the holes, and now let's find some appropriate screws like this. Standard PC. No, this is too thick. Let's see what I can find. The box of screws. So something thinner, hopefully, maybe from a keyboard like this. This may be too long. But this seems approximately okay. So this would be fine. That's from a keyboard. Maybe it's time to get the keyboard and take some out. Or do I have some screws already taken out from a keyboard? Somewhere. I think I have them somewhere. Oh yes, bingo. One of these will be fine. So let's see. This still has some plastic in the... Oh boy. Bad Chinese keyboard. But this is exactly what I was searching for. Maybe a bit shorter ones. This is good. Okay, this one and maybe this one. Okay, now let's screw them in. Let's see how deep they can go. So I need a... Can this screwdriver? Nope, this is not good for that. What can I use? Oh, here it is. It's just one of these. Lengthener, or what? Extender, extension, whatever you call it. It connects to a screwdriver, but I can use it just like this. So let's see. Maybe I need to cut this off. Let's see. How does the first one go? Just turn it gently, not to break the screen. It's going, it's going. It still has more space, yes. Can keep going, keep going. And where does it go? I can't see it precisely. So that thing rests there. Above that. Okay, a bit more. It can go a bit more, like that. It's solid. Now let's put another one here. It wouldn't hurt to cut that excess material off. Maybe I don't cut myself. Okay. So let's force it in. So yeah, this works too. And then make sure it's okay. It doesn't stick above the battery. Oh, it has more space. even the other one can go in much further, like that. Okay, and this one maybe a bit more. Okay, perfect. Now let's listen when I snap it together. Hopefully nothing breaks. Okay, 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 perfect. And does it turn on? Yep, there's the clock. And let's see about that triangle. What material can I use? It doesn't have to be too thick. Let's see. Well, I guess I could use anything. Just a thin wire, bendy, and it would go like that. Maybe curl once around here, and make a knot somewhere here. Yes, and then it will hang on the wall like that. And then it hopefully won't fall off. Maybe in case of an earthquake, but other than that, it should be stable with screws in metal and a good sturdy triangle support, mount, whatever.